Hello students, welcome you all to my English class. Hope you all are doing well at your places. Students, in this video I am going to discuss with you exercises of chapter number 8, adverbs. Okay, our first exercise is underline the adverbs and say what kind they are. Clear? So we will have to find out the adverb and write the type of it also. First one is my family lives there. देयर पोजीशन प्लेस के बारे में हमें बता रहा है. सो देयर इज एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट इज दिव्या वॉज एब्सेंट yesterday. When was Divya absent? Yesterday. That means it was telling us about time. So yesterday is adverb of time. Clear? Like this you will solve the rest of the sentences also. Now come to exercise number 2. Form adverbs from the following words. You will have to form adverbs from these. Lazy, lazily. Active, actively. Clear? Like this you will form the adverbs. Next is exercise number 3. Fill in the blanks with appropriate adverbs given in the brackets. 2 adverbs are given in the brackets. You will have to choose one from it. Seema did well in the exam. Clear? A tiger runs dash then a lion. Then comparison is there between tiger and lion. So faster. Clear? So like this you will solve the rest of the blanks also. Now come to exercise number 4. Exercise number 4 is fill in the blanks with the appropriate degrees of the adverbs. Appropriate degrees means positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Comparative degree we add er to the adverb, and in the superlative degree we will add est. Okay, in the comparative degree we will add er like this and est in the superlative. Whenever adverb is ending with ly we will add more cleverly, most cleverly means more to the comparative and most to the superlative degree. And there are some irregular adverbs also like good, better, best. Clear? So according to these you will fill the blanks. Our servant is the dash of all. The is there means superlative degree, the laziest of lazy. ब्रैकेट में एडवर्ब आपको गिवन है. सुनिधि came dash then you. Comparison is there. Okay, so late, later. Sunidhi came later than you. Clear? Like this you will solve the rest of the sentences also and fill blanks according to their appropriate degrees. Okay. Exercise number 5 is insert the adverbs given in the brackets in their normal position. Okay. Adverbs are there in the brackets. You will have to insert them in the normal position in the sentences and rewrite them. Please do these exercises on your notebook. Okay. First is we shall miss you. We shall miss you. Now shall is the auxiliary, so adverb will be placed after the auxiliary. That is we shall certainly miss you. Clear? Now next is he has received an SMS. Just is the adverb, so again has is the auxiliary, adverb will be after it. He has just received an SMS. Clear? Next is they agreed to many suggestions. They agreed to many suggestions. Readily. Readily. यहाँ पे अब verb है, so adverb will be placed before the verb. Okay? They readily agreed to many my suggestions. Okay. Next is the patient is better today. The patient is better today. Much better. Better is the comparative degree. So, adverb will be placed before the comparative degree. That is, the patient is much better today. Clear? Now, next is, I see him jogging. In bracket is seldom. Okay? Seldom. Seldom is adverb of frequency. Okay? So, it will be placed before the verb. I seldom see him jogging. Clear? Like this, you will have to solve the rest of the sentences. Now come to next exercise, that is, place the adverbs in the correct place. Adverbs are placed at wrong places. You will have to place them in the correct position. Okay? So first one is, I carefully tasted the food. I tasted the food carefully. Carefully comes after the object because object is present in this sentence. Okay? If the verb is transitive, the adverb follows the object. Okay? Now next is, the film dramatically ended. The film dramatically ended. Again, it will be, the film ended dramatically. Okay? Next is, he honestly does his work. Again, object is there, his work. So, he does his work honestly. Clear? Next is, she warmly greeted us. Again, object is there. So, adverb will be placed after the object. She greeted us warmly. Clear? Next is, Deepak immediately wanted an answer. Again, object is there. So, Deepak wanted an answer immediately. Clear? Next is, Geeta opens her book hardly. Geeta opens her book hardly. Manner is there. Okay? So, it will be placed before the verb. Geeta hardly opens her book. Clear? Now, you will solve the rest of the sentences like this. Clear?